Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet a very easy baby blanket pattern. This pattern is called Granny Ripple Stitch and it's very easy to do. All you need is how to make a double crochet. The front view and the back view of this pattern are the same. You can see that. And it's one row repeated. For this pattern, I used Ollie's Baby Best yarn and crochet number 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then chain in multiple of 25 until you reach the desired size, then add 4 chains. I made 54 chains totally and I'm ready to begin row 1. Skip next 6 chains. That first 3 chains counts as a double crochet and make 3 double crochet in 7th chain from the hook. 1, 2 and 3. Skip next 2 chains and make 3 double crochet in next chain. 1, 2 and 3. Skip next 2 chains, make 3 double crochets in next chain. 1, 2, 3. Skip next 2 chain and make 3 double crochet in next chain. Okay, after I have 4 sections of 3 double crochets, chain 2 and make 3 double crochet in next chain. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this creates first peak. Okay, skip next 2 chains and make 3 double crochet in next chain. 1, 2 and 3, and repeat 2 more times. Skip next 2 chains, make 3 double crochet in next chain. 2, 3. Skip next 2 chain and make another section of double crochet 3. Okay, now I have 4 sections of 3 double crochets. Now skip 5 chains and make 3 double crochet in 6th chain. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochet in next chain. And repeat these 2 more times. Skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochets in next chain. Skip 2 next chain, make 3 double crochet in next chain. Okay, I have 4 sections of 3 double crochets, and now chain 2 and 3 double crochet in next chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay, skip next 2 chains and make 3 double crochet in next chain. 1, 2, 3, and repeat this 2 more times. I have 4 sections of 3 double crochets, and at the end I should have 3 chains left over. Skip next 2 chains and make a double crochet in last chain. Okay, I don't complete the double crochet. I want to change the yarn, so pull through with new color and chain 1. Okay, I have 2 picks in first row here and here, and I want to start row 2, so chain 3 and turn the work. In this row I'll be working in big spaces between the sets of 3 double crochets here, here and here. So I'll make a set of 3 double crochet into the first space here. 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 double crochet in next space. 1, 2 and 3, and 3 double crochet in next space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I have a chain 2 space. I'll make a set of 3 double crochets into this space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, chain 2 and make another chain 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. And this creates new upper peak. Okay, I'll make a set of 3 double crochets into next 3 spaces. Now skip next space. I don't crochet a set of 3 double crochet here, and make a set of 3 double crochets in next space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and then repeat this sequence until the end. Make a set of 3 double crochets into each space, and into the chain 2 space I'll make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and again 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space, and repeat until the end. Okay, at the end of the row 2, I should make a double crochet in top of beginning chain here. I want to change my color again, so don't complete the double crochet. And pull through with new color, chain 1, pull tightly, and chain 3, and turn the work. And I repeat this row 2 again. I make a set of 3 double crochets in each space. And into the chain 2 space at the peak, I make a set of 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and another set of 3 double crochets in same space, 2 and 3. Okay, and repeat this sequence and make 3 double crochet in each of next 3 spaces. Okay, after that I skip this big space and make 3 double crochet in next space. And then repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Okay, at the end of row 3, I want to make a double crochet in top of turning chains. Here I want to change the yarn again, so pull through with new color, chain 1 and pull tightly, chain 3, turn the work. I repeat this row several times until the length of the work reaches the desired size. And at the end of each row, I changed the color. I repeated that row 6 more times, and in the end, this is how it works. I hope this will be a useful video for you. If you like my video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.